Okay, we're going to do SB24 right now. Jeffrey walked 1/3 of a mile on Monday, 1/3 of a mile Monday, jogged 3/4 of a mile on Tuesday. How far did he walk and jog on Monday and Tuesday combined? So I'm going to add those up. Use the tiles to complete the fraction strip model to show how you found your answer. The fractions may be used more than once or not at all. Okay. 1/3 and 3/4. Let me see. I would take, if this is, what we're going to say that this is one whole, okay? I think that's what this is showing. This is 1/3 of the whole. I know if this is 1/3 and this is 3/4, because 1/3 plus 3/4 would give me more than a whole. Let's see. If I had to add these up together, let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That would give me a whole if these were all 1/12, but I do know that it's a little more. That's why it's showing it's over, a little more over. And I'm looking here at my fractions. Half is not in there. I used 1/3 and 1/4. It can be used more than once. I didn't use 1/4, but this looks like it's cut into 12s because that's the whole. If this is my fraction model, this is one whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That would be 12 of those would equal one whole. So 1, 2, 3. Let's see, how many did he? Let's put them all in. All right, I got my one whole here from those 12, so I got one whole and 1/12. Add it up. I just make sure. 3/4, 1/3. I'd have to make these denominators into 12. Multiply that by 4, multiply that by 3, which means I'd multiply the top by 3 and the top by 4. 9 plus 4 is 13, and that would equal 1 and 1/12. Perfect, we're correct. Let's take a look at number 6. Tom exercised 4/5 of an hour on Monday and 5/6 of an hour on Tuesday. Complete the calculations below to write equivalent fractions with a common denominator. Okay, I have to make a common denominator. So if I've got this 5 and this 6, I can start listing multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. So it looks like they're both 30. I'm going to make these denominators be 30. How do I get to 30? 6 times what equals 30? 5. So if I do it to the bottom, I do it to the top. 6 times what equals 30? Well, that would be 6. And whatever I do at the bottom, I do at the top. So that would be 24, and that would be 25. Now the question says, how much time did Tom spend exercising on Monday and Tuesday combined, which means I need to add. Thankfully, I already made these denominators the same because I cannot add fractions unless they have the same denominator. So I'm going to add these up. And I'm going to get 49, I'll put it over here, 49 over 30. That's an improper fraction. So I'm going to subtract 30 out of here, 30 out of 30, to get my one whole. And 49 minus 30 is 19. There we go. Explain how you found your answer. Oh, how did I find my answer? To find the answer, I had to make the denominator the same in order to add the fractions. There we go. take a look at part C. Part C says, how much longer did Tom spend exercising on Tuesday than he spent on Wednesday? How much longer is usually a subtraction problem. Thankfully, I already have them with the same denominator, so I have 25/30, and I'm subtracting by 24/30. That's really easy. That equals 1/30. And explain how I found my answer. I subtracted the time spent exercising to find the difference. Okay, and that is SB24. All right.